Potential due to a point charge. V is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 Q by R. That's the equation. Potential at a point due to a point charge. Let us derive that equation. A point charge Q at the origin. Let P be a point with the position vector R from the origin, where the electric potential is to be determined. P is the work done in bringing a unit positive charge from infinity to that point. To find potential at P, choose a path along the radial direction from infinity to the point P. On that line, consider another point P dash, which is at a distance R dash from the charge Q, where let us consider the electric field at that point P dash is E. Electric field intensity at P dash is E. E is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 Q into 1 by R1 square. That is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 Q by R1 square. To move the charge through a distance delta R, work is to be done against the electrostatic force E. Work done is equal to force dot displacement. Therefore, delta W is a small work done in moving through a distance delta. Delta W is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 Q by R1 square dot delta R. Here, electric field and the displacement are in the opposite directions. Therefore, delta W is equal to minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 Q by R1 square delta R. The angle between E and delta R is 180 degree. To move through a distance delta R is delta W is equal to 1 minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 Q by R1 square delta. Work done in moving the charge from P dash to P is equal to minus integral R1 to R Q by 4 pi epsilon 0 1 by R1 square delta R is equal to, can take Q by 4 pi epsilon 0 outside of the integral. Integral R1 to R 1 by R1 square delta. The integral of 1 by R1 square is minus 1 by R. So the equation can be written as minus Q by 4 pi epsilon 0 minus R1 limits R1 to R. Let us consider the point P dash is at infinity and point P is at a distance R from the charge Q. Therefore, we can write the equation like this. Work done is equal to minus Q by 4 pi epsilon 0 minus 1 by R1 infinity to R. So substitute the values. Total work done in bringing the charge from infinity to the point P is minus Q by 4 pi epsilon 0 minus 1 by R minus 1 by infinity. You know the value of 1 by infinity is 0. Becomes minus Q by 4 pi epsilon 0 into minus 1 by R. That is equal to Q by 4 pi epsilon 0 1 by R. Potential at the point P is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 Q by R. Potential is inversely proportional to the distance. The distance increases, it decreases as seen in the equation.